Hey everyone, ever heard the saying, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush? In this video, we're going to explore the meaning behind this classic proverb and why it's all about valuing what you have right now over chasing uncertain opportunities. So stay tuned to find out how this simple phrase can impact your daily decisions. Let's start. The proverb, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, means that it's better to have a lesser but certain advantage than the possibility of a greater one that may come to nothing. It emphasizes the value of what you already have over what you will gain in the future, which is uncertain. And here are some example sentences. So in the first example, we could say, even though another job offer might come, he accepted the current one because he believed that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. And in the second example, we could say, she decided to sell her old car instead of waiting for better offer because she thought that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. And in the third example, we could say the following: choosing his guaranteed investment rather than risking it for a potentially higher return, he remembered the saying, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. And in the fourth example, we could say she kept the modest but the steady income rather than risking it all on a startup, thinking that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. And in the fifth example, we could say he chose to accept the scholarship he had rather than applying for a more competitive one, reasoning that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. In conclusion, the proverb, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, reminds us to appreciate and hold on to what we already have rather than risking it all for uncertain future gain. It teaches the value of security and certainty over potential but uncertain rewards. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.